Hello, people. You're welcome to Some Smart YouTube channel, where we'll be teaching you guys how to place a withdrawal on your video mine technology. You first go to your dashboard. You make sure you log into your dashboard and place a withdrawal form for your for withdrawal. So here you can see I have no earnings. My balance here. Let's see. My balance. My balance here is 0 naira, while here on my earnings, here on my video mine point, you can see that I'm having 11,450 naira. So all you need to know is you're not making withdrawal of less than 1,000. If you're staking, you're going to, this is for the affiliate members, you're going to cash out. You can see the form. Here is the form. Assuming I have for the affiliate, you're going to make withdrawal only on 25th of every month. 25th of every month is for the affiliate withdrawal day, and that is you're going to stake only your video mine point. While also the affiliate, you can also make a withdrawal when you have only one affiliate or more than that, because when you have in your earnings, if you have up to 1,000, you're going to make withdrawal. You put in your account number, just like blah blah blah. For example, let's select your bank account. Let's say your bank. For example, you place a withdrawal here. Here. Place a withdrawal, and it is going to show you something successful. Your withdrawal is you're not making withdrawal every day. It's only Wednesday and Sundays you're going to place your withdrawal, so you should get notice. You please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share, because I will be making a successful withdrawal whenever I get to refer one person, because I've not been too much working here on this side. I'm doing another business, chat mogul, and some other stuff, so I have no time to be looking for people, looking for referrals. So you guys should just stay tuned. You click on the notification button so that whenever I make a withdrawal, a successful one, I'm going to make a video that will inform you. Yes, this is how I get to cash out my video mine point, and also yes. So good. Thank you for watching to my YouTube. Thank you, and you're